Welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to learn about how to create highlights for your Instagram page. So let's go to search and let's search for highlights cover. So as you can see, we get like thousands of templates for highlights. So there are lots of types of highlights, like you can put text in your highlights, or you can put logos, or you can put both, like text and as well as the logos. And there are some highlights, they are like kind of modern, or kind of like this funky one, or just a color like this marble color over here. So here is the example. As you can see, this is the text one. In that just we have some highlights about the world tour, merch, and the shows and album and singles. I think this highlight will help the singers or as well as the artist. After that we have highlights for normal person, which he or she can use in his Instagram. And this is also modern one. I like this a lot, so I created my version out of it. Okay, so these four highlights created by me, like this one is the for the gym, this one is for the gadgets and for gaming stuff, this is about my book collection, and this one is about my student. So in this video I'm gonna give you a demo, so how to put highlights on your Instagram page. There is a like specific dedicated page on the Instagram called highlights, Insta highlight icons. So from that you can see how they arrange their highlights like in the same color. So I seen lots of people, they don't use same color, they put any icon or any image on the highlights. So it totally depends on them, because it's their creative choice, so they can put whatever they want in their cover. So but we get like lots of crazy option over here, like this one. So as you can see, highlights looks like this. Even it also has a driving license. I don't know why it has, but it has. And you can just go through this page and you can see some example. You can take inspiration from it and you can create your own version. So let me download these images, like this 3-1. If you want to create this simple highlights, then you can just click on the add page and just go to icons in the elements. Let's say you have dedicated highlights for films, then you can search for like movies. And in graphics, we will get that icon, I guess. So you can put this one. You can change the color if you want. Or if you, let's say you are not able to find your icon elements, then what you can do is that you can go to apps. In that you can search for icons. In this you will get two plugins or two apps, Icon Duck and Icon Scout. So let's go with Icon Scout. I think if you are like first time user, then you have to like log in for it. You just have to click connect, then it will automatically log in with Icon Scout. So as you can see, we get like lots of option, and we can just click on it and it will add on our page like this. Let me add this into center. Okay, so this is gonna be our 4 pages. So I'm gonna download this one. Okay, so it downloaded all the images in the zip format, so we have to extract it. Okay, so this is how it is gonna look after exporting. As you can see, gadgets, book, student, and gym. So let's go to Instagram and let's update those things. So as you can see, this is my Instagram page. I don't have anything on my Instagram, it's just a normal. So we have highlights, as you can see. The first one is gadgets. Just tab it and hold it. So you will get the option called edit highlights. So as you can see, this interface will be over here. So in that I have 3 gadgets, like first one is laptop, after that mic, and again mic. As well as we can also edit the title. Currently it is gadgets. I want to keep this as a gadget, so let it be. So we want to change the cover, so let's go to edit cover. After that we have like 3 photos over here, but I want to choose cover that we created. So let's go to this icon, the photo icon. So as you can see, we get this option. So first one is gadgets, so I'm gonna use this one. If you want to zoom, you can zoom that. You can just place it into middle like this, and next, and done. Again done. Okay, so first one is changed. Let's go to book collection. Again same, tab and hold, edit highlights. Go to edit cover, and the logo is gonna be books. So this one. So done and done and done. So if you have text, then keep it like, or zoom it properly, because sometimes it gets cropped. So try to fix within this circle. Okay, so this is how our highlights is gonna look. If someone comes on our page, they are gonna see these highlight covers. So that's how you can create highlights for your Instagram page, for your business page, for your personal page. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.